Nadler is attacking the 1993 Religious Freedom Restoration Act, RFRA, with this bill. The RFRA protects the religious freedoms of Christian groups and businesses. In addition, just as Julia Beck noted, transgender men are dominating women's sports and worse. In Great Britain, an unidentified rugby referee told the London Sunday Times, "Being forced to prioritize hurt feelings over broken bones exposes me to personal litigation from female players who have been damaged by players who are biologically male. This is driving female players and referees out of the game. Rugby referees are quitting the women's amateur game because they fear rules allowing transgender women to play will lead to serious injuries. Referees say they have been warned not to challenge bearded or heavily muscled players appearing for women's teams." Another report in the Daily Signal included biological males who identify as transgender women are wreaking havoc in women's rugby in Great Britain. Elsewhere in Great Britain, transgender rugby player Kelly Morgan is laying waste to opponents in a Welsh women's rugby league. She's going to be a good player for the next few years, as long as we can stop her injuring players in training, Morgan's coach, Brian Minty, told the BBC last month. The team's captain, Jessica Minty Madley, told the British network that Morgan folded a girl like a deck chair during a game, which was quite funny, but they're still friends. "I do feel guilty, but what can you do?" Morgan told the British network in an interview. "I don't go out to hurt anybody. I just want to play rugby."